First 5 on UN. And we're live. We're still on the Facebook page of Basketballista Mind. It's University of the North. Against San Beda.
Yun daw lang na nakolekta eh. 29.
First position of UN. Whoa! First shot, first basket on UN. It's 2-0.
Sulit. Sulit.
Sulit. Ancheta. Rebound. Tap. San Beda again. Black. It's now 10 to shoot. Stepping on the line against Batulan. Guzman. Nice move. Bang! Basket got one. Small up. Foul on number 23 on San Beda. Ancheta, person Ancheta, first team foul. And San Beda. Sulit. Nice move.
Viloria.
It's rolling violation on Viloria. Back to back turnover against San Beda. It's 8 minutes and 19 seconds. Now.
Hindi. Guzman?
27 Sambil.
Dili. Ito bilay sa polo sa bilay.
Second team foul on San Beda.
Guzman yun. Sa bilay. Mali yun. UN. NU yan. UN.
Vilaria!
Pares ng bilay.
Vilaria!
Balik mo doon. Balik mo doon.
Magulat na naman ako.
Black.
Roll na. Iris mo lang. Lagay mo number.
Paras. Rebound.
Bigay!
On San Beda. Now Ancheta. Batulan. Viloria. Back to Batulan. 10 to shoot. Intas Ismail. Foul on Batulan. It's 13 foul on San Beda. First against Batulan.
5-0.
Draw, right here.
Adi Guzman. Paras. Yes, son. Paras now 7-0. It's 7-0 run coming from the University of the North.
Dinahin nyo kapag sa backdoor.
Wala pa naman silang score. Ano?
Ba't yan wala dyan?
Si Paras lang naman ang nakuha ko.
Short. Rebound. Now Paras. Nice fake. Paras. Short again. Rebound ng Viloria.
Bigay! Tulog!
Ancheta. 14 to shoot. Air ball. It's blue ball. Blue.
Tingin.
Paras, 5 minutes and 10. Whoa! No, time out, ref, time out! On San Beda, it's 9-0. Coming from University of the North.
Palomares and Palomares and Palomares. May plastic yan. Yan mo dyan.
Bro, yung kumandang ano mo, sir po. Pwede mo pa ikutin yung dalawa.
27 Guzman, Paras, Palomares.
Pwede ka naman mag-sponsor kahit utang lang.
5 minutes.
Pwede ka naman mag-sponsor kahit utang.
Now Ancheta. Sulit. Beloria. Whoa! First shot, first basket of San Beda coming from Beloria. 9-2. Paras.
Nice.
Guzman, 14 to shoot. Paras. Short top. Palomares. 14 to set sa clock. Paras. Galing may Batulan. Block. Ancheta. 4 minutes and 10. Black behind. Palomares. In and out. Rebound on San Beda. Now Ancheta.
Backdoor.
Beloria. 14 to shoot. Air ball. Rebound on UN. Angel to Paras. Open jumper, elbow jumper by Paras. Too strong. Rebound by Sulit. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Galaw. Basket time out.
Now Sulit. 14 to shoot. Batulan. 10 to shoot. In and out again. Rebound on UN. 3 minutes, Paras. It's foul. Paulo Ancheta, time out. On UN. It's second and Ancheta, third. Team foul against San Beda. Three minutes and 4 seconds. First quarter. Second game. Two free throw shots. Coming from Three minutes. Now 10-2. It's 8-point lead on University of the North. San Beda versus University of the North. NCAA Season 4 by basketballista category. Batulan. Rebound. It's a ball. 14 na set sa clock 14. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Sulit 10 to shoot. Five.
Kaya, Drew.
Now, Guzman. Drive. Guarded by Sulit. 2 minutes and 10. Ang Yab. Tap. 14 to shoot. Paras. Rebound again on UN. 1 minute and 59 seconds. Paras, drive. Paras, side step. Yes, on Paras. It's 12. Against 2. It's 10-point lead now on North. Now on Cheta. Rebound on Paras. It's Paras. Guzman, 1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Palomares, 10 to shoot. Paras, drive, move. In and out by Paras. It's unbeatable. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Batulan, for 3. Bang, bang, bang. On Batulan. 5-12. It's 7-point lead UN. It's 1 minute.
Tingnan natin kung may pasado niya.
Paras, 55 seconds. 14 to shoot. Angel. Short. Foul. Foul on Paras. First on Paras. First team foul on UN. 47 seconds.
Kumpadre, sigurado yun.
Lagay, ikot. Galaw ka, galaw.
Kung
40 seconds.
First time nila mag-camp sa France taas. Pero ayaw ko talaga sila mag-camp kung kahit ano. Nagdado sa akin mataas. Alas natin sa taas.
Smollett. Foul on number 37 ng Iyab. His third second team foul on UN. First on Iyab. 32 seconds. Bang, bang, bang! Good swing! 20 seconds. 15.
Montimayor. Batulan!
6 seconds, 6.
Agtaray ka! Agtaray ka na, Kai!
5. Count and 4. Paras, it's 15 against 8. Second quarter ready, tie rep. Second quarter rep.
3 points ba yan?
Dalawa na.
3 points ba yan?
San Beda ball, San Beda.
Si ano, si Uy.
Ano, boss?
San Beda ball, San Beda. Rep, bigay mo rep.
Pagod ako.
Bakit?
Diretso ba nang papunta rin tapos diretso ka rito?
Ah.
Yes, on Carmona, it's 10-15. 5-point lead now on UN. Aldaba. Foul. Foul on Maravillas. It's first on UN. First on Maravillas.
Gusto nga, huwag matakot mag-foul.
10 to shoot. Aldaba. Carmona. Yes, on Carmona, it's 12-15. 3-point lead on UN.
Depensa tayo,
Layag. Kalikay.
Manalo sana ng Sunday. Kasi yung dun
10 to shoot.
ng kulay blue. Red.
It's 12 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot.
Ilocano team yan.
Outside by the ball. It's at best 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Red ball, red. Aldaba.
Angat lang, angat! Lalim, lalim!
Si Cobo.
Tikitan mo!
40 to shoot.
Aldaba. Vargas.
Vargas, 10 to shoot.
Yan na shooter.
8 minutes and 23 seconds.
19. Magbingay. 16 Lion. 16 Lion.
40 to shoot. Oh, it's Layag. 17 to 12. Now 5-point lead on UL.
Dikit na!
Aldaba to Carmona. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 15 to 17.
Lapit ka lang, Wilson!
2-point lead now, UL. Layag.
Labas ka! Labas! Bilangin mo yung...
Panapyo, Magtulayag, 14 to shoot. Kalakay. Rebound on Panapyo. It's a ball, 14 to set sa clock 40. Ilaw na daw. It's foul. Foul on number 16 on Layag. It's second team foul on UN. First against Layag.
Lapit!
Carmona. Aldama. Air ball. Rebound on Vintero. Now Layag. Vintero drive. Nice defense. Kalakay. Block by Lorenzo. It's now on Sanbera.
Yan! Dikit lang!
Foul.
Sige, huwag matakot ang foul. Nice, nice, D.
Foul on number 16 on Layag. Third against UN.
Pagod sila, no?
Depensa! Yan, yan na. Nice! Diretso! Kaya! Lapit ka! Pasa, pasa!
Kalakay. Yan, rebound on Aldaba. Foul. Foul on Layag. It's second on Layag. Warning for penalty on UN.
Angat ka! Angatan mo na!
Now Vargas. Magbingay. Aldaba, 5 minutes. Foul. Time out on UN. Now UN and penalty. Time out on UN. Only 2-point lead on UN. It's 17 against 15.
Wilson, angatan mo na yun. Lapit sa ano. Kasi nakatakwa ng bilo eh.
Penalty tira. Penalty ng UN.
Para hindi lang umangat si Luwin. Umangat si Luwin ito eh.
Gamitin niya tuloy, ah.
Ilocano daw magkaya. Ilocano din sila yan.
Ang init. Parang nasuot mo.
Ano?
Nakain mo.
Nilalamig nga ako.
Kumino, nilalamig ka pa ng lagay na to. Nilalagnat.
Nalalabsik. Kulang sa kwan. Kayak.
Hindi ko nag-live kayo. Alis ka nga kayo dyan.
Box out, shooter. Box out, shooter.
Carmona, 14 seconds clock. Hey, it's foul. Foul on number 4 on Marbella.
Marvel second.
Second on Marbella. Marbella. Now UN in penalty. 17 against 15. Only 2-point lead against UN.
Box out sa shooter. Box out. Unahin ang box out. Box out muna.
1 point lead now on UN. It's 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. San Beda versus the University of the North. 10 to shoot. Block by Carmona. Carmona to Aldaba. Magbingay. 14 to shoot.
Ano ginagawa ni Neso sa
Foul. Penalty Teret. Smollett. Foul again on Layag.
19, Sando Peyo.
19 ang Pinapeyo. 19. Foul on number 19. Oh, Pinapeyo.
19 first.
Yes, sir. Box out muna, box out. Unahin na box out.
Panopio.
Panipiyo ang tayo, panipiyo.
Now 17 all. It's first deadlock of the game. 3 minutes and 58 seconds.
Ikot kasi, huwag mag-steady eh. Ikot muna. Ikot kayo kasi. Nag-steady kayo. Ay, pasahan naman nila. Ikot.
Time to shoot.
Ikot mo.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Panopio. It's 20 against 17.
Ganyan na. Ikita mo.
Aldama.
Wala.
It's foul. Foul on Aldaba. It's first team foul on San Beda first. Against Aldaba. Two minutes and 22 seconds.
Bigay mo maya. Magbibigay ko maya.
Yan, ikot na. Ikot.
14 to shoot. Bang! On Marbella, it's 22-17. 5-point lead now on UN.
Angat na konti, angat.
Aldama.
Yan, dalawa na.
Back to Aldama. Vargas, 10 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound on Pintero. 1 minute and 39 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Carmona. It's second team foul on San Beda first on Carmona. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Violation against UN. San Beda ball. 1 minute and 14. Carmona. Nice pass. Vargas.
Ay,
Vargas again.
ay.
Alagay. To Panopio. Layag. Pintero. It's offensive foul on Layag. Final Layag. 44 seconds, 44. Third personal foul against Layag. 40 seconds. Lorenzo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Lorenzo. 25 seconds.
Pangalawa na.
20 seconds. 14 to shoot. Yes, on Layag. 10 seconds. 5.
Ayan, o kaya may challenge.
And now for second quarter score, 25 against 20. 3 5-point lead on UN. Third quarter, third quarter. It's UN ball, UN. It's UN ball, UN.
Ay, dalawang.
Isa na?
Ball game rep.
Nice. Ganun lang, next possible.
27-20. It's 7-point lead now against UN. Only 7-point lead on UN.
Kunin mo na lahat.
Di Guzman.
Bahaw, kunin mo na.
Back to Paras. And Spade. Elbow jumper.
Dalawa kayo.
Oh, then the shoot. Then. Hey! Bang! Bang! On Di Guzman. 20-30. It's 10-point lead on UN.
Lalam!
Domingo. 14 to shoot. Still again on Paras. It's Paras all the way on Paras. 32-20. It's 12-point lead on UN. Now to be high. Still. Guzman. Paras.
Angat, draw.
Uy. Short. Rebound ng Ancet, Montemayor. Again, too strong. Rebound on Paras. Uy, 1-1. Paras. Bang! Timeout! On San Mera, it's 35-20. 18-point lead on UN.
Wala, bakit? Hindi mo naka-score. Ito naman sa scale din.
Yan, tubig mo.
Mamaya ba, 5 minutes siya, 5 minutes. 5 minutes siya, 5 minutes. Ayo.
Screen!
Stress. Ikot.
Screen! Nice!
It's foul! Bang! Basket gone and 1 on Montemayor. First team foul on UN. 35-22. It's 13-point lead on UN.
Baba! Babadi!
Nice.
Nice steal. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. There's the shoot. 10.
Papala. Gari.
Substitution depth, sub-rep. 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Alan Bernabe.
What's up?
Bernabe second.
Second on Bernabe. Second team foul on UN. Aldaba. Ancet, Now, yet Carmona, favorite shot, too strong. Now, Uy.
Reserve timeout.
Bang! Easy money. Coming from Uy. Aldaba. 1-1. Intercepted by Uy. Layag. Pass to Paras. All the way on Paras. 39-22. 4 minutes. Carmona, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Substitution time up, substitution. 24 shot clock violation. Cheta out, Ancheta. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. 39-22. It's 17-point lead on UL.
Wag masyadong i-shot.
Pick tayo, pick. Nice one.
Foul on Domingo. It's first on Domingo. First team foul, San Beda. Uy.
Cut. Fix, cut.
Paras, time to shoot.
Gitna. Yan, uy.
Air ball. It's violation. 3 minutes.
Time out down.
Harap.
Short. Uy. Oh, Montemayor. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Layan. Bernabe. Top. Bernabe again. Oh, Bernabe. 41-22. Same ball. 2 minutes and 19 seconds.
Ala, 19. Sige.
Ito.
2 minutes. Time out on UN. Two minutes.
Silipin ko kung may nagsiswimming lang. Kung may nagsiswimming ko lang.
Hanggang. Puro. Binibigyan laod yun ng kami.
Maaari minsan binibigyan ko. Kaya pag alam mo siya kung tatlo kumakas.
Yes, on Carmona. It's 24-41. Palomares.
Babala, pag-steal.
Bola natin.
San Beda ball, San Beda.
Ang ina, hindi tinitignan ng laro. Ilang press, set.
1 minute and 38 seconds. Foul on Palomares. His third team foul on UN. First on Palomares.
Ito, 1 minute.
41-24.
Ilang labas mo si Risti kasi.
25, fourth one. Nahuy. Rebound on Carmona.
Huwag niyo muna hindi agad.
Domingo, 1 minute. Wow. Warning for penalty on UN. Foul on Layag. It's third on Layag. Sabrem, pasok. 57 seconds, 57. 26 seconds, 41. 27 against 41, 50 seconds.
Kalas kayo. 8 seconds.
8 second violation, 8 second violation, 39 seconds, 39.
Dinadrive nyo kasi dapat wag dinadrive. Basa na agad.
Ila, okay. Sige, bawi tayo, bawi. Bawi, pre. Lumang tayo eh. Ayun yan.
30 seconds. 40 to shoot. Short. Top, rebound Carmona. 14 seconds, warning for penalty UN. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds. 10. And now for third quarter score 41 against 27. Last quarter ready. UN ball, UN.
10 minutes lang.
Dito na!
Paras, Faye, Rivera, in and out, Vargas, Quintero, Paras,
Pek.
41 against 27. It's all by UN.
Yan na. Huwag kayo mag-set. Backdoor, nandun na. Ilalim.
Bang, bang, bang! Goal, Carmona!
Yung kanina,
Hindi nagsising.
walang gitna. Screen lang sa gitna, yan.
10 to shoot.
Nice, Ray, awak lang.
Vargas. Steal on Paras.
Tagal pa pala 7 minutes.
Marbella. Foul. Foul on number 04 on Marbella. First on Marbella. First team foul on UN. It's 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Galaw!
Magbingay. Carmona. Quintero.
Upo tayo, sir. Isa lang tayo. Isa lang makatayo, sir. Isa lang. Upo tayo, isa lang. Upo tayo, may bench tayo,
Reserve substitution.
Ikot.
Then to shoot. Vargas. 2-1. Montemayor. Quintero. Yan in and out. Rebound on Carmona. Sulit. Magbingay. Nice pass to Vargas. Foul. Sabrep.
Wala ka na dito.
Sabrep.
Silit!
Pupunta na nga siya.
Silit!
Hindi, ako sa akin. Hindi mo 5 minutes yan. Ako dito. Kung ano ako dito, hindi naman ako pwedeng umalis dito.
Isa!
Vargas.
Only 5 minutes now.
Bigay kayo!
Meron ka sa likod, oh. Meron ka sa likod.
41-30 your score. 11 point lead UN. 14 to shoot. It's struggling, violation struggling.
Bantay! Pit, bantay!
Ako papasok sir.
3 minutes and 50.
Pagod na sila!
Sabrep. Substitution rep. Aldaba. Ancheta. Montemayor. Yes, on Montemayor. 32. Against the first one.
Hoy, isa!
Lock. Foul. Foul on Montemayor. 2 free throw shot kami pa Bintero. Bien red. 3 minutes. It's 9 point lead on UN. Aras.
Set! Pre, sa kabila!
Kalas!
10 to shoot.
Pre, sikat! Sa gitna!
High.
Yan na, pre! Sa gitna, oh!
5-second violation. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Sa dito sa left sub.
Nice. Kulitin mo!
Aras.
Nice!
Nice defense. Foul on Carmona. Sabrep. First team foul on San Beda. Two minutes and 50.
Box! Nice!
Yes, on Baras. 6-4-15-32. 11 point lead na UN. 2 minutes. Foul. Foul on Domingo. It's second team foul on San Beda. First against Domingo. Second team foul on San Beda. One minute and 44 seconds. 14 to shoot. Block by Aldaba. Foul. Foul on Aldaba. 13 foul on San Beda.
1 minute lang. Salam, sir.
1 minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Box, 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 box.
44-32, 12 point lead now, UN. Aldaba, Ancheta, Carmona, 1-1. Short by Ancheta, di pa rin paras. Now again on Domingo, it's second team pa personal Domingo. Warning on San Pedro, warning for penalty. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Okay, pasok girls. Tumira ka pa rin dalawang tres.
1 minute.
Ubus oras.
55 seconds.
Huli. Ingat na lang. Challenge.
45 seconds, 45 seconds.
Tira.
45 seconds, 45. 45 seconds, 45.
Agad din po imbito.
40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 20 seconds.
Oh, sa baba, sa likod.
A 17 seconds.
Kayang pa ka, may susunod pa naman. Kaya nyo na.
10 seconds.